You can get paid $90 just by watching YouTube videos today. And we're going to show you how you can do exactly just that. We're going to show you what steps to take in order to make money just like this with a special strategy that we just discovered. We're going to show you how you can earn $3 in just 2 clicks. We're going to let you in on all of the secrets to make this method work perfectly so you can earn as much money as we are. We're going to be sharing the main platform, how it works, how you can sign up, how to get a free account, and we're also going to show you every single detail and make sure you don't miss anything so that we can give it to you guys strong. So make sure that you pay very close attention and make sure that you follow along closely. After this video, you're gonna know not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 different ways that you can make over $90 every single passing day and how you can earn this in the fastest way possible so that you can have multiple streams of income. And on top of that, we're also going to show you our secret on how we double our income so you can double your earnings as well. This method is available to everyone from all around the world and it's 100% free, so you don't need to worry about any of that. This method will let you pay out through PayPal all the way to bank transfer, so whatever would be most convenient for you, this method will cater to that. Now, we know so well that many of you might not finish today's video. Some of you might just skip and get the name of the website and then try to work it on your own, but let me tell you right now, you're going to be unsuccessful. If you watch this video from start to finish, that's the only way you're going to be able to earn in the same way that we promised you. So that's on you if you decide to skip and not finish the video. To those who decide to stay, you're going to get a bonus tip somewhere in this video that's going to make you $90. And all you need to do is sit back and relax. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. What you're seeing right now is superpay.me, and you can just type that in and that should take you straight to here. Now, as you can see, make money online with free paid surveys today. They have fast payments within 24 hours, a low cash out threshold, you can work from home. They have promo codes and cash contests, free paid surveys and offers, a 20-cent join bonus, and a generous referral program. This website has paid out over $4 million and you can cash out through PayPal, Tango gift cards, Amazon, Skrill, and even Bitcoin. You can join for free today. It's easy to join. Complete your registration in less than 2 minutes and receive a 20-cent bonus when you join. And that's just for signing up. You can take part in surveys and offers. Make money by taking part in paid surveys. We have hundreds of new surveys available every day. You can also earn by watching videos and completing paid offers. And lastly, our favorite part, get paid. Over 90% of payments are paid within 8 hours via PayPal, Bitcoin, Skrill, or exchange of points for Tango gift cards, which can be used at popular retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Macy's, and more. You can earn cash, points, and free gift cards. You can get to share your opinion with the brands you love. At superpay.me, we reward you for sharing your opinion. You can make a difference and shape the future of global brands by completing our market research surveys. And what makes it better is you can earn whilst doing so. You also get to work from home at a location and time that suits you. Superpay.me is great for people who want to earn a little extra working from home, for students looking to earn more or stay on top of that student debt, or for anyone who just wants to have some extra cash in their pocket. 90% of our payments are issued in less than 4 hours, making us one of the fastest paying survey sites. Even the reviews are excellent. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you guys love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now this website pays out a few cents for surveys, but that isn't our focus for today. Our focus for today is going to watch videos, and we're going to show you how you can do that in a while, and that way you're going to earn $3 compared to just a few cents. So now you're going to register, and to do that you want to click on this join free button over here, and then provide your first name, your last name, email, you repeat your email, your username, password, repeat that password, your mailing address, your payment information, and this is very important or else you won't get paid. Agree to all the terms and conditions, make sure that you're above 18 years old, confirm you're not a robot, and then hit create account, and once you've created your account, you get 20 cents just for signing up. And that's just a free taste. We're gonna get into the real thing. Scroll down to the most bottom part of the page and select Make Money Online, and as you can see, other than surveys, they also accept other tasks, and that includes paid videos. As usual, we want to give you the best way to earn the most amount of money, and although surveys are alright, we don't exactly recommend it because it might take away too much time, and you'll only learn a little if you do it on this website. But if you watch videos through this website, then that will definitely earn you quite the bucks. The best thing is that we like about this is that you can watch as many videos as you want all at once. It really doesn't matter, which means that you can earn multiple times all at once, and all just by watching videos. You don't even need to watch the videos, you can just let it play in the background in 4 times speed to finish it quicker, and boom, money, money, money. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Next method is through the referral program, which is another great way to make money at superpay.me. So you just invite other people to join, and that's another great way of earning. Some of our highest earners make their money at superpay.me by telling others how to make free cash online. We pay a generous 25% to referral earnings, meaning that you make money automatically every time one of your referrals completes a paid survey or cash offer at superpay.me. This means that if you send good quality referrals to the site, you could be earning a wealthy income in no time. You can just get your link and share it to your friends and family, and then you're earning in that way too. So surveys, videos, and referrals, the perfect way to earn through today's website. So make sure you try it out, let us know, and come back for more after. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.